guys, I'm on looking on eBay. See how much this T-Mints is. Wild thing. And also Hot Wheels. Okay. Hold on, I forgot. Okay, I'm going to do a backflip. Not that much. $6. How much money again? Oh, this was made in 2005, 1 year after I was born. $13. Okay, now I'm going to see how much Wild Thing is. Okay. Okay, guys. What is this thing called? What is this? That means I'm going back. No. Whatever. I'm looking up for actually T-Mints. Doesn't show. Next will be Wild Thing Monster Jam Wild Thing. I'm looking for this kind of Wild Thing. See how much he costs. No, not the little wheeled. No, not the big wheeled. $6 for that one. $15 for that one, and penny with a Wild Thing. Just kidding. Or $21 with, well, never mind. Ooh, there's another one, another page. Well, these ain't worth. I can find T-Mints. My Wizard Wild Thing ain't worth that much. I believe I got a couple rare WWE figures. I might. I'll look, okay? I hate when this this one. This kind of triplets. Look at my hair. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. This Triple H. Great. Man, Now this will be rare. Have a nice day. Mankind. Oh yeah. Have a nice day. Hey y'all. Imagine these two meeting again. Bow down to the king. Or Mr. Stucco. Oh. Those two are the only rare trucks I have. I mean, trucks. Seriously. Oh, I almost knocked myself out there. Okay. Mankind. Mankind. Oh, yeah. What's up, dog? Mankind. Not even saying WWE. Oh, yes. My name is Mick Foley. Everybody. Mankind what? Whatever, I'm winning WWE figure. Next is gonna be next is one. What? This is how much it costs on eBay. $7. Seriously. Oh, I'm gonna beat you up, Triple H. I hate Triple H. I can go now. Where's keep on how much it cost. So I don't know. Like, I forgot. It is $7. And this is $7. Probably this $7. Almost 10 years old for this truck. Okay guys, if you can know how to sell trucks on eBay, please tell me in the comments below. Okay? Because so I can make money and I can buy more trucks. Like the Black Ultra Loco. Okay guys, if you know how to sell toys, monster trucks or figures on eBay, comment below and you can tell me how. Okay? Okay. Bye guys. Wow, dang. Hot Wheels, go fast.